Hello, in this video, we will discuss how we can remove duplicate records or how we can list unique or distinct records. I will show you different situations, how to handle the different situations where you have duplicate records or you want to check if there is a duplicate entry in the data, how to remove it. Just stay with me till the end of this video because I have prepared two different sheets for you. You can see this is one situation and this is another situation. So how to handle it? Okay, let's start from this sheet. We have this data where the different teams are there: basketball team, hockey team, baseball team, and basketball team, and cricket team. And different students are participating in the teams, but there are some students who are participating more than one uh, team as well. Okay, and there is also possibility that maybe there is in one team duplicate names are there. For example, in this football team, Martin and this Martin, they are written two times. Okay, how to identify? Right now, the data is very small, but once you will have 500 records, 1000 records, so it is always difficult, and this procedure you can use to identify the duplicate. First of all, I will show you how I can find duplicate in this column, or you can say these rows. Okay, so let's start. Press equal to sign. We will use uh, uh, unique command, unique, unique function. Select the unique and array. Select this array, bracket close. And now you can see Martin is printed one time. Here Martin is twice. Okay, because it will only pick duplicate and write here. So you can pick the duplicate and list them, or you can make the list of unique or distinct records. Let's say I will write Paul again. Now you can see Paul is written on one, is listed once. Okay, only. Okay, this situation I think it's clear. Similarly, you can check if there is any duplicate record in one column. So if you have one column, only names or age, you can simply use a unique command to list them. Okay, now I'll show you how we can check the duplicate in the row. It will match the row is equal to unique, unique command. The array is this row, comma. Now here you have, it is asking, it is giving, once you will press comma, type comma, it will give you two options like this: true, return unique columns. Okay, false, return unique rows. So we want to check unique columns. Column means this is one column, this is second, third. So each cell is actually column. It is considering it column like this. So you have to select true. You can type true, otherwise you can, with the arrow key, you can select the option, required option, and press tab key, tab. Okay, it will automatically pick. You can see Martin is twice in the table, but here it is shown once. Let me use my highlighter so it is more visible to you. Okay, so now we have seen that how we can see unique records in a row, uh, in the rows, and in the columns. Actually, these are called columns because this is one column, second column, third, fourth. So I have shown you how to search duplicate like this and this. Okay, let's move on. Now, if we want to find the duplicate names, or if these are the students who are participating in different events of in different teams they are there, but we want to know how many are the unique students. So we can use unique again. Okay, simple. We select the range. Okay, you can see this will not work. Unique will not work in this situation. Simple. If you want to check like this, it will work. And if you check in the one row or different columns, it will work. But if you want to find the unique records from all the cells in a table like this, it simple unique command will not work. First of all, we have to write all these names in one column or different rows. How? We will use another function. It is called equal to TOCOL, TCOL, TCOL, select the range, bracket close. You can see all the names are written in the row. But if we will come down, here you can see there are two zeros. Why? Because these two columns are two cells are empty. Let's say if I empty one more cell, then one more zero appeared in the list. We have to remove it. How? In the tcall command, there is another option before bracket. Select the range and then press comma. It gives you these options. Keep all values. This is a default setting. Ignore blanks, ignore errors, ignore blanks and errors. So what we will do, we will select ignore blank and errors. If there is an error in this our current sheet, the option number one, ignore blanks, will also work. But on safe side, we will choose the option three. So it will ignore errors and blanks. Now you will see the zeros are gone. Okay, all these records are written in one list. Now we have to find the unique. This command was used to write them in one column, but now we will filter the unique records. So what we will use again, the unique function, unique, unique, and then tcall inside. Array is already there. Now the unique records are written here. Look, Martin is nowhere in the list. This is the way you can list the unique or distinct uh, values or names or data from this complete table, and the duplicates are removed. So these are the total number of students who are participating, or players are participating in different teams. Now, till now, we have learned three things: how to get the unique record in one column, or one row, or whole table. Okay. Uh, Now, if you want to sort them, look, these are not sorted. Then what you will do, what we can do, we will sort. We'll use sort tab, go at then, bracket close. Now it is sorted in ascending order from A to Z. Okay, they are sorted. What if we want to sort another way? Z to A, descending order, then there is an option in sort, because this is array. Sort array is this unique tool full array, comma. Now sort index. It is saying sort index. We will put one here because one means this whole column. Okay, array, comma. Now it will give us option whether ascending order or descending order. So we will select descend. For ascending order, type 1. For descending order, this type -1. You can see -1, bracket close. Now they are sorted in descending order. I will change Tim with Z, or I will add one more Z. So you can see Z is on the top. I think it's clear for you. We will remove the descending order sorting. Okay, so far we learned four things. Now here, if we want to see how many unique records are there, the count, not the list. If we want the count, we will use a function count. Count A. Count A is the function which is used, which, sorry, count A is the function which counts the filled cell, because this is the range selected. It will not count these empty cells. In the cell, if the numeric value or alphanumeric value is there, it will count both. If we use here count only, count will use only numeric values, and count A will count the both numeric and the alphanumeric. Okay, the value means the range. So range is our again the unique count of the unique numbers. This we have to, so count what? UNIQ, unique, then to call, okay, this whole range, comma, the value 3, that ignore the empty, bracket close. Actually what we have to do, uh, okay, sorry, actually brackets were not properly closed. We have 1 2 3 1. Yeah, now it is fine. Wait, sorry, it was gone. No issue, we'll do it again. Count A, and then this complete list again, unique, duplicate, no, sorry, I was doing wrong. Actually first we will count total and then we will count duplicate. So how we can count total? Count A, it will count total records. Count A, this array, bracket close. So these are the total record and these are unique record. How we will find the duplicate? We'll find duplicate like this, is equal to count A, means the total records. We will not use these values. We will always calculate from the table. Otherwise, I can simply say total minus unique. Yes, it will also work, but I will not do like that. Count A means this is the total value minus the unique one. Okay, unique means count A, again unique, unique, and to call means column, this ray, comma, ignore blanks and errors, bracket close, 1 2 3, three brackets I have to close. So what I am going to do here, duplicate record means the total records minus unique records. You can see here we have a list of unique names, unique records, the count of unique records, count of duplicate records, and count of total records. This is the way you can uh, remove the duplicate and list the distinct one. Now I'll go to another situation. There is another situation. You can see a table where student names are there, their different subject score is there, total score, percentage, and their rank is there. Okay, maybe by mistake some records are duplicated and we have to identify. Right now this sheet is has all the unique records, but I will copy last two records, control C, and I will make two records duplicate as a duplicate. Okay, so Sarah and Munir are written two times. And let me mention here that these are uniquely copied. It is not only that names are written here, all the numbers and everything is copied there. Okay, now here is same table. You can see the headings. Same headings I have already prepared for you. So from this table, we will copy the unique records equal to unique. Again, unique command. Array here we will give the full table. Select a cell, control and shift, hold control and shift button, press right arrow key and then down arrow key. It will select completely the table. Bracket close. You can see all the unique records are copied here. Here, these last two records were duplicate, therefore they are not there. Sarah and Munir are once only. Here, Sarah Munir are twice. But the important thing is, if you want to just match one column, then select in the range one column only. But if you want to compare the full table, then in that case, Excel will check, compare each record, each cell of the table. Okay. For example, let's say the Munir has 89 marks. I will change them, and let's say I made them 90. You will see Munir will come here again. You can see, because these two Munirs are not uh, unique. They are not duplicate. They are unique records, because here Munir has 90 marks. Here Munir has 80. So they are two different people, because the names can be two people. They can have person, they can have a student can have the same name, but let's say there is a staff list of staff, their names, the id, staff id is always unique, or student id is always unique. Okay, so when you will compare all the complete record, then it will check all the fields, age, staff id, everything. And if staff id, name, age is same, then it will consider it unique. Otherwise it will not consider it unique. So you seen that how it is comparing? 89, if I'll make again, look, it is disappear from here. This is the way you can copy or remove the duplicate records. Again, if you want to make the count like this, you can also use the same logic here, and uh, remove the duplicate or list the unique numbers. But note, in the table, whenever there are students or staff, there at least one field is unique. That is called the primary key. If you are aware about the databases, primary key means unique. Staff id, a student id, because it is possible that there are two vakas in one class. Okay, but their staff id or their student id cannot be same. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please like the video and subscribe my channel.